Hey, thanks for joining me. This is just a very quick update to do with previous videos and the latest news from the weekend. Right, so previous videos first. Hopefully it's not too windy for this outside recording. Specifically referring to this one here. It's that 31 days time. June 29th. That was Saturday just gone, because in that video hopefully you will have seen it. It talks about it being 156,000 hours exactly on Saturday just gone since the events of 9/11. I'll leave the link to it if you didn't see it. So that was this Saturday just gone. That was for the June 29th. So today's news. Again, it's following the day after coding. We have a plane crash. Texas plane crash. Veers into a hangar. I'll leave the link to that as well. Sorry about the noise. Smoke billowing out. I want to draw your attention to that one there. No one was inside the building when it was hit. Left a gaping hole in the side of the charred building. I mean, come on. How much more 9/11 ritual coding do you need? And that bit is almost like mockery. No one inside the building when it was hit. Argument there that that's the case for 9/11 as well. Or the other opposite mockery. If it was true that there was people inside the building, then it's mocking the dead that were. I personally believe there wasn't anyone inside the building for 9/11. They had the controlled explosions, then both buildings were evacuated successfully before they went down. That is my belief. So anyway, that's the 9/11 ritual covering the June 29th for 156,000 hours exactly, which was Saturday. Okay, and my very last video that I did was this one here. Recorded actually in March of this year, so quite a while ago now. But I only uploaded it, 4 days ago it's shown there. Prepare for some moisture. World is our oyster, prepare for some moisture, okay? Here we have another news story today. This one specifically there. 1.5 metre thick ice fell in Mexico City. I can't quite comprehend the size of that hail coming down from the sky and nobody being injured. That's what you call moisture of the frozen variety. 1.5 metre thick hailstorm. Look at that. Again, I'll leave the link for that. That's what you call moisture in the form of hail. Incredibly, they're saying nobody was hurt in that. I don't quite understand how such massive hail can fall like that, but apparently it did. So that was preparing for some moisture, but it doesn't end there with that one. So we've got massive hail, and look what they've also included in this headline down there. Oops. They've used hail again. North Korea media hail amazing Trump visit. When you think of Trump, you think of wall. Great Wall of China. China he's just reduced sanctions of. China as well is in the news headline. Great Wall of China, Hong Kong Marks the anniversary, 22nd anniversary of the handover for China. Great Wall of China. Trump's in North Korea. Crossed over, the first president to ever cross over. Hail, amazing Trump. Massive hail in Mexico City. Prepare for some moisture in that video. Madness, huh? Take care.